Welcome, dear subscribers, to our language learning journey. I'm thrilled to have you here on our YouTube channel, where we embark on a wonderful adventure of mastering English through captivating short stories. At the end of the videos, I teach the important part of grammar or vocabulary and phrasal verbs and collocations. So pay attention to the highlighted words in this story. Let's dive in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a moment of this rewarding journey. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily loved to cook and experiment with different ingredients. She dreamed of becoming the best chef in the village. One day, Lily discovered an old cookbook in her grandmother's attic. The cookbook was filled with recipes from around the world. As she flipped through the pages, she found a recipe for magical rainbow pancakes. Intrigued, Lily decided to give it a try. She gathered flour, eggs, milk, and a variety of colorful fruits. Following the recipe, Lily mixed the batter and added a pinch of magic. As soon as she poured the batter onto the pan, something incredible happened. The pancake batter began to swirl and change colors, creating a beautiful rainbow pattern. Lily carefully flipped the pancake and couldn't believe her eyes. The pancake not only looked magical, but it also tasted amazing. Each color had a different flavor. Red tasted like strawberries, orange tasted like oranges, and so on. Lily was overjoyed with her creation. News of Lily's magical rainbow pancakes spread quickly through the village. People came from far and wide to taste her delicious and enchanting pancakes. Lily's dream of becoming the best chef was coming true. Soon, Lily's village decided to host a cooking competition. Chefs from all around were invited to showcase their best dishes. Lily knew she had to participate. She decided to make her magical rainbow pancakes for the competition. The day of the competition arrived, and Lily nervously presented her dish to the judges. As they took their first bite, their faces lit up with amazement. They had never tasted anything like Lily's pancakes before. The judges declared Lily the winner of the competition, and she was awarded a shiny golden chef's hat. From that day on, Lily's magical rainbow pancakes became famous all over the world. People traveled from distant lands to taste her extraordinary creation. Lily's dream had not only come true, but had exceeded her wildest expectations. And so, Lily continued to cook and experiment, sharing her love for food and magic with everyone she met. And remember, even a simple recipe can bring a touch of magic to our lives. Lily's newfound fame didn't change her humble and kind nature. She remained as friendly and down-to-earth as ever, greeting each visitor with a warm smile and a magical pancake. As word of Lily's success spread, she was invited to various cooking shows and food festivals. People were not only captivated by her magical rainbow pancakes, but also inspired by her passion for cooking. Lily always took time to share her recipes and cooking tips, encouraging others to explore the joy of creating in the kitchen. One day, as Lily was preparing for a live cooking demonstration at a big food festival, she received an unexpected letter. The letter was from the enchanted Culinary Academy, a prestigious school that trained chefs in both culinary skills and magic. They had heard of Lily's magical creations and were inspired by her talent. Lily was surprised and honored by the invitation. After much thought, she decided to accept the offer and embark on a new adventure. At the academy, she learned not only about cooking techniques, but also about the ancient art of culinary magic. She honed her skills, creating even more delightful and enchanting dishes. After graduating from the academy, Lily returned to her village, where she opened her own restaurant. The restaurant was a magical haven, filled with delicious dishes that brought a touch of wonder to everyone who dined there. It wasn't just about the taste, but the entire experience that Lily created with her culinary magic. Lily's restaurant became a gathering place for people of all ages, backgrounds, and cultures. It was a place where stories were shared, friendships were formed, and memories were made. And at the heart of it all were Lily's magical rainbow pancakes, a symbol of her journey from a young dreamer to a renowned chef. But amidst all the success, Lily never forgot her roots. She continued to visit schools and community centers, teaching young children about the magic of cooking and the joy of trying new things. She believed that everyone had a bit of magic within them, and all they needed was the courage to explore and experiment. And so, Lily's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless individuals to follow their passions and infuse a bit of magic into their lives. And as the years went by, people would fondly remember the young girl who turned pancakes into rainbows, proving that with a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of courage, anything is possible. Now, let's learn the words related to food. Try to repeat with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Cooking. Ingredients. Recipe. Pancake. Egg. Milk. Flour. Chef's hat. Dishes. Restaurant.